Straight up like tequila, go gorilla. This paranoid promises, this hip-hop, no quantum physics. If I black, don't mix that I know, then get like a mulatto. Skip around, kick like taekwondo, you better work those shoes right to the soles. You can start saying, it's like Michael Jackson. It's like Michael Jackson. It's like Michael Jackson. It's like Michael Jackson.
Yeah, J-Phenom. Let's go. You know what it is. Yup, it's that J-E-S to the U-I-T. Man, you know we the best in the whole road city. And I gotta let you know I'm at the top of my game. I'm reaching for the stars, I be claiming my fame. Now I'm getting pumped up like I'm at a Pham rally. Running to the end zone, call me Jordan Talley. If you mess with us, you might need to be taught a lesson. We'll send you back home like you in the Great Depression. And you know that I shine, but I don't need the glitter. And I'm always looking fine. Now call me Brooke Wisher, looking fresh with the G-Shock on my wrist and a smile on my face. Molly Petricic, just call my name. You know I keep it so clean, best you ever seen. I'm a fiend, do what I need. Yeah, I gotta do it right, money all the time. Cause I gotta keep that success and that focus on my mind. Just walk out the door and see the trophies on the shelves. Don't need to talk cause all the banners speak for themselves. And I am unstoppable, no you can't stop me bro. Kinda like West, you beating us, it's impossible. Shout out to my freshmen, shout out to my softs, shout out to my juniors and the seniors at the top. Let's go.